Say yeah, 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 yeah. Say ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah. Say yeah, 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 yeah. Say ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah. I got a spoon full of sugar that I think you like. No, I don't wanna preach, but I think you might wanna curve. Sip it up, sip it up, sip it up, sip it up, sip it up. I might be young, but I know my mind. I'm sick of being told what's wrong or right. So give it up, 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 give it up. Uh-oh, now there you go, out of your comfort zone. Cause I'm breaking down, I'm breaking down, 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 down. Ain't got nothing to prove. Walk a mile in my shoes. I know the one thing that counts. I got the right to make up my mind. Ain't lying clear for the whole world to hear. We're marching.
Wow, what a sight to see women raising their flags from the 19 municipalities and one city of the province of La Union. And we could really see how proud these women are in waving their flags. Let's give them a big round of